Good morning, students. So now we are going to continue with the next modal auxiliary, that is auxiliary verb need. Now only two are left, need and dare, that we will continue. So now here we will understand this auxiliary verb or modal auxiliary need. It functions as a main verb plus auxiliary verb. It means it functions as both ways. First one is main verb in the sentence and the auxiliary verb in a sentence. So now when we talk about the function of this modal auxiliary need, it is used to express necessity plus obligation then suggestion. So these are the various functions it does. What this modal auxiliary? Plus it is also used in various interrogative sentences or the statements where the question is asked, interrogative, and plus negative sentences where not is used. And we know that when we say negative sentence, that time there is definitely there is some negative word is used which shows negation, for example not, etc. Right? So then first of all we will see that how this word need, it functions as a main verb in a sentence. Then later on we will discuss about auxiliary verb. So now the main verb. Generally need is used as a main verb in a sentence to express or to show the requirement or the necessity. Am I clear? Requirement or necessity in a sentence as a main verb. For example, we will discuss it with some examples. Look at the first example, that I need help. In past also we can use this one. In past, for example, here I is the subject, then need is the main verb, and the next. So need, the past participle, needed. It means obviously both are same in the second form and third form, past participle. So I need help. Here what is the function of this word need? It functions as the main verb in this sentence. Need. I need help. It means requirement is given. I require you. I need your help. Necessity is given. So I need help. Second, I need some new winter clothes. I subject need, and then rest of the part. So you can understand here after subject need is coming, and here if we see in the rest part of this sentence there is no another verb. So here need, it functions as the main verb. Right? I need. And once again here in past tense also that you can utilize the same sentence using the proper form of this word need, needed. Am I clear? So I need some new winter clothes. Next one is coming, she needs to talk to him. She. It means he, she, it. Third person singular that is used. He, she, it. She is used. And we know that, as we know, whenever we are using in present tense, I am talking about present tense, listen carefully. In present tense, when we use third person singular, that time we add s to the main verb. Am I clear? He reads, she reads, he goes, she goes. So then, she needs. The sentence is in present tense. So that is why, and third person singular. She, and later on the main verb s that we have written here. It means we have added s here. Need, needs. So she needs to talk to him. Once again the same function. Right? These are the common errors. Whether to add s to the main verb or not to add s to the main verb. So we need to understand, because these things are useful for us when we are solving the question of editing or finding error, omission, or everywhere these questions are useful. Plus MCQs, these type of the questions are useful. Different options will be provided to you. One option will be need, needs, needed, need, or anything else. So in this way, we need to identify the correct answer here. Am I clear? So these are the statements we have seen here, we have discussed, in which need functions as the main verb. Am I clear? So now let us move on to the next one, where need functions as an auxiliary verb or modal verb, or the modal auxiliary verb. So now here, especially in auxiliary verbs, commonly it is used in negative sentences and questions as an auxiliary verb. Generally it is used in negative sentences and questions, interrogative. For example, you need not ask my permission. You need not ask. It means here, you might have seen here what is the function. You might have understood what is the function of this word need, auxiliary verb, and what is the main verb here? Need not ask. Here ask is coming, another verb. So here it functions as an auxiliary verb instead of main verb. Especially, and it is a negative sentence, that not is used. Negative sentence not is used. Right? So next one, need we wait any longer, or need I wait till the bell? Necessity is given, asked here. Need we wait. Wait is the another verb, main verb. Just like here ask, asked. And here what is the function of need? Auxiliary verb is used as an auxiliary verb or the modal verb. So that is why here first one is negative sentence and the second one is interrogative sentence. It means question is asked. To ask question, we can use this modal auxiliary. Need. Need, we wait any longer. It is asking about the necessity. Next, need I wait till the bell. Once again it shows the necessity. So now I mean to say that in the negative sentences plus in questions, in interrogative sentences, we can use this auxiliary verb, need. Right? So now up to this one, we will discuss about need in past. How to use this in past. So look at this example. So you need not have waited for them. What is the sentence? You, first one, need not, once again negative is used, have waited. After need, then have plus past participle. It means third form of the main verb. Wait, waited, waited. So in this way, you need not have waited for them. It means, what is the meaning of this sentence? There was no, it means it was not necessary to wait for me or wait for him, etc. whatever, or wait for them. There was no necessity or no need at all in past. In past, if you want to show that there was no need to wait, or you were waiting, but there was no need, no necessity, that was unnecessary thing. To show such expressions, we can use need not have waited, have plus past participle. Am I clear? Here, have plus V3, third form of the main verb. So next, you need not have lost the temper. Right? You need not have lost the temper. Once again here subject you, need not have lost. Once again have plus past participle. There was no need. Actually, when to use this modal auxiliary or this word in the past, when we used to show that in past actually there was no need to do that thing or no need to wait, but we were waiting. So for that expression we use this modal auxiliary as a main verb, as an auxiliary verb in a sentence. Right? And plus one more sentence. For example, that education is a need. What is the sentence? Education is a need. What is the function of this word need in this sentence? Education is a need. it functions as a noun. Sometimes it is possible because there are various types of needs. We could say that this word need here, sometimes it functions as the main verb, auxiliary verb. Here in this sentence it functions as a noun. Education is a need, so need, noun. So now in this way we have seen here how to use need as a main verb, as an auxiliary verb in the past, and plus as a noun, right? So now in this way we have learnt here, we have seen, discussed about this modal auxiliary need. So that's all from here. Thank you.